A constructor is a special method that is automatically called when a new instance of a class or struct is created using the new operator. Its main purpose is to initialize the object, set default values or perform setup steps. The constructor has the same name as the class and has no return type, not even void. It can be overloaded by defining multiple constructors with different parameters. A static constructor is used to initialize static members of a class. It is called automatically by the runtime only once, before the class is accessed for the first time. A static constructor does not take any parameters and cannot be called directly. It does not have an access modifier and always uses the static keyword.